Nuclear scan. Introduction.
All nuclear scans use the same pharmaceutical compounds.
Select true or false.
Correct. Different nuclear scans use different compounds to target different organs. The length of the test varies.
Select true or false.
Correct. The length of the test depends on which organ is studied. Patients may have to come back for more imaging a day or so after the initial compound administration. Nuclear scans are very safe for pregnant women.
Select true or false.
Correct. Radioactive material used in nuclear scans may not be safe for unborn children. Therefore, you should tell the radiology staff about even the remotest possibility of pregnancy. A pregnancy test can be performed in case you are not sure. The compound used in this test could possibly cause allergic reactions.
Select true or false.
Correct. This is very rare. Unfortunately, this complication could lead to death. It is therefore very important to tell your doctors about any allergic reactions you might have had in the past.
Thank you for using Explain.